All right guys, welcome back to our Tesla PPF series. This is going to be episode 2, I suppose. We have beside me a brand new Tesla Model Y. This one is in for our Track Pack paint protection film kit. If you saw part 1, the Model 3, that was in for a full front kit. The Track Pack takes what you get in the full front and adds a little bit something extra to it for a little bit of extra protection without going for the whole car. So what's included in the Track Pack is the bonnet, 2 front guards, 2 headlights, the bumper and fog lights. Well, actually, I believe these are not even fog lights on the Model Y. They're just black plastic covers. The mirror backs. Then we also have the A-pillars. And on the Model Y, it's a little bit different to a Model 3, but we cover along this body line here. So there's a section here that covers essentially the rocker panel of the side skirt. So if you had a Model 3, it'd be the lower side skirt of the car. In this case, it's the bottom of the doors. So that covers here and here, following that line. And finally, there's a piece that runs right along here as well, along that hard body line that you can see on the rear bumper as well. There's a great pack for if you want that little bit of extra coverage over the front end, but are not looking for the full vehicle just yet. Righto guys, so you've seen the process on getting the Model Y prepared for paint protection film, and you've seen the installation. Now what you can see is the completed product, which looks pretty much the same as when it came in, which is the point of paint protection film. So this car, just to recap, has received our Track Pack paint protection film kit. So that covers the bonnet, front guards, headlights, bumper, fog lights, and mirror backs. And then down the side of the car here as well. So the only thing that we've got left to do on this car is the window tint. So yes, we can tint your Teslas as well, and we can ceramic coat them as well. This particular one's not getting a coating, but quite often we will either combine paint protection film and ceramic coating, or we'll just coat the paint directly. The choice is up to you entirely. Now keep in mind, we are typically booked 3 to 4 weeks in advance at any given point throughout the year. So if you know you've got a car coming up and you've got an approximate delivery date and you want to book in, get in touch as early as possible. At least we can get you on the calendar, and then as your date sort of moves in and firms up, we can finalize the time for you and get your car protected as well.